JJ, watch.
Just, you gotta catch. You gotta take turns.
Do you want to go stand over there, Kyle?
You wanna go stand over there with the other kids?
Good job, Leo.
See
Oh, almost. Just stay right there, JJ.
Go home. You're not gonna play baseball. No car.
Stay right there. Watch. Watch the ball. Oh, are you okay?
Good job, JJ. Way to stay in front of it. You ready,
The
Chris?
kids are hitting really good.
You ready, buddy?
Doing really good.
Cole, don't stand in front of people. Come here.
JJ, get back because he's going to hit it hard.
Run, 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 run.
Put it in your glove. Go touch him. Go touch him.
JJ, it's okay.
Second, Leo. Second.
He's mad because he didn't catch it.
Leo, third.
Run it home with it. Oh, is that second?